Warning: never perform maintenance or assembly procedures with engine running or serious personal injury may result. Loosen air cleaner cover knob and remove the air cleaner cover. If the temperature is below 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit, the cold weather plug should be moved from the warm weather position to the cold weather position as shown to prevent carburetor icing. For operation in normal temperature, 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit and above, return the plug to its original position. Failure to do so will cause overheating of the engine and result in engine failure. Reinstall the air cleaner cover and tighten the air cleaner cover knob.